Hello and welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. In this video I am going to discuss how to design a YouTube thumbnail for your videos using Canva. Now I am here in my Canva dashboard. I will click on the create a design and already it is being searched. Now you can search the YouTube thumbnail like this and a list of things will appear. From this we will choose YouTube thumbnail. And it is showing a number of templates that are available already inside the Canva, but we will be starting from scratch and we will be choosing a blank screen here. And let us choose a background color first, and let us choose this one, purple, this color, and we put some text here. By pressing the T on the keyboard, we are just typing the text here. Let us say how to design, put the text little larger, let us say 60, and font we are changing to, let us say, Open Sans or any font that you like or that is being recommended in designing of the thumbnail for the YouTubes. So let us putting it here and selecting this text and pressing Alt, dragging it, and we are just changing the text here. So how to design a Facebook business page. Okay, how to design Facebook business page. We are just making it little bigger, changing the size. This Open Sans extra bold, the font we are choosing, and by pressing on the spacings, and we can decrease the line height here like this. If we drag this one, it will increase the size also, or align this text box and align it. Let us press this left align. Size we want to decrease a little bit. Okay, after this one let us say, and fit it here. So this is our main focus of attraction. We'll put some background here so that it gets attracted. Now we are moving to elements and searching rectangle. Let us say, got this rectangle, putting it here, just resizing it, change the color to, let us say, this color we are choosing, dragging it so that it covers this text, just to highlight the text here. Position we are putting it to background color, it is there, and also we are changing this position, okay, by arrow key of our keyboard. So this is the final position. Now where we are designing it in Canva, let us say right here in, okay. Now let us search a symbol of Canva in the element tab. So we are getting this one, okay, or you can draw it little bigger as you like in Canva, or using Canva, whatever you like, placing it here. Okay, now let us make this thumbnail little attractive by putting some pictures on it. I have already uploaded a photo here which I will use here. Okay, now I'm dragging this picture that is relevant. You have to choose a picture that is relevant to the topic of the YouTube video. Choosing this picture, applying some effects here on the picture. Let us put a drop shadow. Okay, let us search shadow. Okay, now I am getting this drop shadow, applying it here. We can change the settings here by clicking on these arrow buttons. Offset we can adjust, also the shadow color you can change, and transparency, angle also you can adjust angle, and blur position if you want to apply some blur, more blur. Okay, this way you can adjust. And also the picture quality, applying some filters here we can do, or we can go to adjust, we can increase the brightness or the contrast, whatever way we like, saturation also, so to like this one. So, and put some elements here, and it is talking about the business where I search some business icons. Let us say this one is thinking, which is very good, and it is talking about the Facebook. Let us search some Facebook. Okay, Facebook icon is also there. Okay, we can resize this one by just dragging it. How to design like this using Facebook, we are putting a logo of Facebook, and here also we can just put some elements here, business let us say, and putting some growth symbol for our business growth. Let us say we are talking about the designing, it's a kind of settings or designing, and also we are talking about the growth symbol which will help our business to grow. So let us use some free symbols. These icons are the pro versions. If you are using, you can use those icons. And let us say we are just using this one for our growth purpose. We can adjust this rotation here like this and just place it here, reduce the size a little bit like this one. Okay, we can adjust the color here also if you like. You can change the color, whatever color you want to choose, that you can adjust here like this. Okay, this is almost ready. You can customize this thumbnail as per your requirement. We can change this picture also if you want to reduce the brightness a little bit, let a darker one, or to the same condition you can press it, raise it to 0, so it is the original picture quality. Saturation if you want to go down like this. So this is our thumbnail for a video which we are going to discuss about the Facebook page design. We can download it here, PNG suggested, just pressing on the download. And here also the size is very important, that is 1280 by 720 pixel, the size of this thumbnail. And let us open this picture. Okay, this is our thumbnail that we have designed using Canva. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.